Understanding inventory. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of the word inventory. This is a common word in English, especially in the realms of business and retail. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in different contexts. Inventory primarily refers to the total amount of goods and/or raw materials that a business has in stock at any given time. Think of it as everything you might find on the shelves of a store, in the back storage room, or even in a warehouse. It's everything a business intends to sell to its customers or use in the production of products. Well, the basic idea of inventory is straightforward. There are different types to consider. 1. Raw materials. These are the basic components used to produce products. For example, a car manufacturing company would consider the metal, glass, and rubber as its raw materials. 2. Work in progress, WIP. These are unfinished products. They are in the middle of the production process but aren't yet ready to be sold. 3. Finished goods. These are products that are completely ready for sale. Following our earlier example, a fully assembled car ready for sale would be a finished good. 4. MRO. Maintenance, repair, and operations. These are items that aren't directly sold but are essential for the production process. This could include machinery, tools, or even cleaning supplies. To understand the versatility of the term, let's look at how it's used in various sentences. 1. The store conducts an inventory count at the end of every month. 2. We need to take inventory before placing the next order. 3. Our inventory turnover rate is quite high, which means our products sell quickly. 4. She's responsible for managing the inventory levels in the warehouse. It's always good to know alternative words or synonyms that can be used interchangeably. Some synonyms for inventory are stock, supply, reserves, store, cash. However, always be cautious when using synonyms, as context matters. And that's a wrap on inventory. Now, you have a clearer idea of what it means, its different types, and how it's used in sentences. We hope this has been informative and that you'll be more confident in using this term in your everyday conversations or business dealings. Happy learning!